In NetSuite, a bundle is a group of items sold together as a single unit. Creating a bundle allows you to manage the sale of multiple items as a package, streamlining inventory management and sales processes. Here's how to create a bundle in NetSuite. Log into NetSuite. Access your NetSuite account using your credentials. Navigate to Items. Go to the main menu and click on Lists. Select Accounting and then Items. Add New Item. Click on the New button to create a new item record. Choose Item Type. Select Group as the item type to indicate that it's a bundle. Enter bundle details. Fill in the necessary fields such as the bundle name and description. Specify additional details like pricing, weight, and tax code. Add items to bundle. Click on the Items tab within the bundle record. Add the individual items that comprise the bundle by searching and selecting them from your item list. Set quantities and prices. Specify the quantities of each item included in the bundle. Optionally, set bundle pricing if the bundle is sold at a different price than the sum of its individual items. Save the record. Review the information entered to ensure accuracy. Click Save to create the bundle record.